Hi, this is Varun Sharma, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. So we were shooting for Kiss Kiss Ko Pyar Karoon. I was in Rajasthan and I got a call from Rohit sir's office that SSC there's a film that's being made. It's called Dilwale and Rohit sir's directing it and Shah Rukh sir, Kajol ma'am are there in the film. Plus there's Varun, there's Kriti. So they said whenever you are back, come to the office and we'll chat. I was like okay. I was shooting for a commercial. We were shooting for a campaign for Dish TV, which Shah Rukh sir only I was shooting. So even he mentioned about the film. I was like, of course, I was very excited. So as I got back to Bombay, I went to meet everyone in the office. I heard the film, I heard my part. It was really great. Yeah. It was an amazing part, and the film is also like it. I really liked it, and of course to be directed by Rohit sir and to be in a film which has Shah Rukh sir, Kajol ma'am together after so many years, plus with Varun and Kriti, it was a I think it was a dream project. So immediately things happened. I got on board and we started shooting, started doing workshops, started shooting. So my character, I play a character called Sidhu. He's a happy-go-lucky guy. मतलब वो दिल से सोचता है और उसके जो दिल में है वो उसकी ज़बान पे आता है वो ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं है चीज़ों को. And Veer and Sidhu, Veer is Varun's character. Veer and Sidhu are बचपन के दोस्त. Whatever they do it together. Whether it's good, bad, they're getting into a problem, they'll be together. They're coming out of something, they'll be together. And Shah Rukh sir is the elder brother. So how Veer and Sidhu also help out Raj Bhiya's love story, love life, or other aspects, how they kind of sort it out, and how he kind of helps us and gets our lives also a little bit sorted. But again, it's in a very happy space, it's in a very fun space, khush mizaj banda hai. And of course, like you said, that comedy is becoming that forte, and you know people are ज़्यादा देखना चाहते हैं उस चीज़ में. And to be in the same frame with Johnny sir, Sanjay sir, Baman sir, it was like, of course, I was really nervous because I'm a huge Johnny sir fan. I'm a really big Johnny sir fan. I think how he enacts his scenes, how he does it with all those expressions and all, I think it's some another level only. And I worked with his daughter in Kiss Kiss Ko Pyar Karoon. So all I used to just chat with Jamie was about her father only, how he does things and how, you know, of course at every, like, I've grown up watching Johnny sir and I've loved all his films and all his timings and all that. He's so good with that. So the first day we went with Johnny sir, we were doing scenes and all that. So he was so, मतलब एकदम से ठक 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 करके, you know, he was doing the scenes and with the expressions and so many variations and all that. So then we clicked off, we started chatting, you know. I had some questions about timing, about this and that, about comedy generally. In general, I had few things, so I was just asking him, and he was very sweet. He was answering all the questions, and he was just guiding little kids to run around the park and throwing some light on us. I think I've grown up watching Shah Rukh sir. Like I've got into acting because of Shah Rukh sir. I was, you know, as a kid, used to watch Bazigar. तो मैं तोतला बोलता था उस टाइम में. तो ये काली काली आंखें गाना मैं देख रहा तो बेड पे खड़े होके ये ताली ताली आंखें ये दो सो आई यूज्ड टू टेल माय मॉम मुझे ना एक्टिंग करनी है. माय मॉम लाइक अरे बच्चे पता नहीं क्या हो गया. सो देन दैट थिंग स्टेड विद मी. आई वेंट टू अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल आफ्टर दैट 12th के बाद ग्रेजुएशन टाइम आया. सो माय मॉम लाइक कि बेटा what do you want to do? You want to get into engineering, college, economics, what subjects do you want to take? And I told her, mama मुझे acting करनी है. So that's the time she thought कि यार ये तो बच्चा मेरा बहुत serious हो गया. From there I did my graduation in filmmaking. Then that whole shifting down to Bombay, Mumbai happened and acting took place. You know, to be in a frame, to be in a film with your mentor, with the person who's inspired you to become an actor, who's, you know, who's this thing जिन्होंने वो seed डाला है I think दिमाग के अंदर. I think it's just there's not a better feeling. And of course on top of that, Shah Rukh sir and Kajol ma'am together, and even on sets, you know, like when he used to come, he used to rehearse so many different times, like even the environment and all that, he touches all the things, these little nuances कि घर का setup है तो he'll touch and feel everything, like kind of thing, because वो उनका घर है. So बिना वो सोचे समझे he can walk around and do things. I think the passion that he has, there's so much to learn from him, you know. Like at times during my course of the entire film also, there were so many things, of course, I've learned, but then there are so many other things that, you know, you generally just learn. And you don't even know कि आपको कब वो चीज़ें सीख जाते हो और वो कब इम्प्लीमेंट भी हो जाती है लाइफ में. तो आई थिंक उस 9 महीनों में आई थिंक 90 चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो एकदम से सीख गया हूँ और वो आई थिंक अपने आप ही इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएंगी. सो बट इट्स बिन अमेजिंग, इट्स बिन ब्यूटीफुल.